Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about what are taxes on day trading. So this will vary from country to country, but I will give you the general overview of what it is and how it works because not all laws have the same tax income or even same type of tax percentage when it comes to day trading, such as the UAE where they have cut all crypto tax gains or anything that is cryptocurrency related, they have not taxed it and they have a law for it where you will not get taxed for any income that you make. So, unlike in the US or some other place, there are still income gains that you have to declare, and here's one of them. So, we are in ClearTax right here, a website where it shows you how income tax on intraday trading works. So, from intraday trading, are they taxed? Of course, they are. So you have to understand capital assets and trading assets because anything that you do is actually ruled as a let's just say um, taxable income or a taxable event where it will be taxed whether you are in a loss or you are in a gain. It will be still taxed whether you are. So you can actually calculate it right here by using a tax calculator here in ClearTax for your own. So when you're I'm familiar with intraday trading, and if you are watching this video, you are probably true. That's why you're watching this video. So here are the rules. So this is for the US, I think. So the ITR form for intraday trading is going to be a business income. So you must file ITR 3 and prepare financial statements with those. So these are the first days where it will be audited and the trading income should be actually submitted to the government and whether tax audit is applicable for intraday trading, and that is a yes. It's going to be 6% of your trading turnover, and this will of course depend on where you live and how it works. So you must do your own research because I cannot research this for everyone. And this is like for India right here. And as you can see, the US also has different types of tax returns. So you must file it and you must look for it within your actual government website and not just depending on this video because I cannot find it for all of you and you must do it yourself. So that is the purpose of tax. They will actually get you if you don't actually file the right taxes. So yes, the answer to the question is it's actually taxed, and the taxes on your day trading will be varying. So I cannot answer that individually for you all. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.